Hey y'all, I just want to stick this in there because I don't do no editing or nothing. I just want to stick this in there. And when you all watch the end of this video, you're going to hear me say epidemic. It's a pandemic. So I made a mistake and said epidemic. So, just we go at that. You know what I'm saying? Don't be talking about sending me stuff, something you made a mistake. You just heard what I said. It's pandemic. Let's get rid of it. Peace. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of my boy Lonnie from Garage Flip Garage, whatever? Have you ever heard of the Cincinnati picker? Have you ever heard of the Commonwealth picker? Have you ever heard of my boy TP from Kentucky, the Tesla picker? Well, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want y'all to know that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey, y'all, I just want to go over some stuff that I bought today. I don't know, for the past couple of times I've been going to thrift stores, I've been hitting, the jackpot for the past couple of times. Sometimes you don't hit the jackpot. Sometimes you go in there and you don't sell the stuff you buy. But the past couple of times, the past couple of videos I made, you guys seen that, I hit the jackpot on a couple of things. So I'll make another what's sold video after this one. But I just wanted to, go over some things, at least 4 items that I bought today that I'm very proud of. Okay? The first item up, if you all don't know about Cutco knives, well, the knife blocks sell too. So the knives sell. So some knives sell for $200, depending on which ones you get. I never find no Cutco stuff out of all of the thrift stores I go to. I never find Cutco. Today I found a Cutco butcher block. A knife block today. It's a 5-slot knife box. It ain't that big. It's not that big at all. You see, I paid $2.99 for that. I don't know if you can see that or not. I paid $2.99 for this. It's $39 right here. 5-slot. $39. Now, they got the big ones with 11, 12, 13, 15 slots. It's like $79. This is a 5-slot. The first time I ever found some Cutco. I done sold other knives and knife blocks and stuff like that, but I never found Cutco before. And I finally found one. Okay, so that's one of the big things that I found today. The second one is when I walked in the store, right? And this is the first thing I do is I go down the electronic aisle. If you all have any ideas, you show me how to carry these cameras in the store. I need to know that. Now, I done did your sales with my phone before, but I can't hold it and look at stuff and look up stuff. So y'all show me what you all been doing, email me, whatever. Send me a link to some videos, whatever, so I can buy me a camera and I can do what y'all doing going in these stores. Because only thing I got right now is my phone. And I can't go in these stores with my phone and hold it and look up items and stuff like that. So you all got any ideas, let me know. But anyway, I walked in this one aisle I usually walk down in this one particular store. And I always find cameras in there, right? So I'm walking down the aisle and I found, let me get this together because it's kind of big. I found this. This Olympus video camera right here. So it was $15. See that price? It's $15. So I opened it up and I looked at it first. It didn't have a battery. See, look at that. You see in there? I didn't have a battery. What the fuck? It didn't have a battery or nothing. So, I wasn't going to test it anyway, but I'm just saying, I looked in there. It had a whole lot of stuff except for the battery. So I looked this up. Okay, now just keep in mind, I just walked in the store. This is the second item I saw. I saw that Cutco first, then I saw this. So the Cutco 39 I looked this one up. This up $69. Sometimes some people sell it for $99, depending on what kind of accessories you got with it. From $69 to $99. I paid $15 for it, so I usually don't pay $15 for stuff like this, but I did today. $69. I'm put on there for $69. I don't have a battery. I'm gonna try to see how much a battery costs for it, and maybe I can get more. But $69. Okay. Then I walked around and looked at the games. I always look at the games, y'all. Always. Found this. The Radio Shack chess computer. Okay, and I looked this up. It's another $69, right? So that's 3 items. There's in between 40 and in between 40 and 99. I don't think I'm gonna get 99 for the camera, but I'm just telling you, you can set it up between $65 and $99. Okay, so that's the 3rd item. I had to almost rush and get out of there because my wife's sister dropped my mother-in-law off at the doctor's. So I wasn't gonna sit around in the parking lot and wait on her because I had to pick her up. So I went to the thrift store, and that's when I found this stuff. So I had to rush through there. I really didn't look through there like I usually do. I'm not like y'all. I don't walk through there in 15 minutes. I walk through there and look at everything, and because I'm scared I might miss something. So I'm in there for like a half an hour, 45 minutes. So I wasn't there enough but 10 minutes when I saw this stuff. So I usually browse through the books because when I sell books, if one book don't sell, I try to get the whole set. Like right now, I got 3 sets of Twilight, all first editions. I got 3 sets of them. Well, not 3 sets, but I'm working on 3 sets. I'm missing 3 different books from each one of those sets. So anyway, I always browse through the books. If I see something interesting, y'all see the stuff I done got before and sold. If I see something interesting, I'll buy it. So I'm looking, and I saw this box right here. See this box? Right here. I saw this box. So I picked it up, looked in there, it's like 3 books in here. So I scanned it. Okay, it came back $222, right? Not sold, I'm sorry. That was the only one on there. So I looked up the sold, and one sold pre-owned for $199. I mean, I'm sorry, it's brand new for $199. It was brand new. So it was one not sold for $220, one that's sold for $199. Okay, this pre-owned is already open. It's pre-owned. So, woo! I'm gonna put this on there for like $130. I paid $1 for it. Put on it for $130, and let somebody buy it. All I paid was $1. Free shipping. I'm gonna do free shipping. Priority. I'm gonna put it in the priority box. Everything. I don't give a dang. Look how much money. Hold on. Somebody calling me. That's my wife. Y'all got to hold on a minute. Okay, y'all. Now where were we before my wife called? It's just too dark. Can y'all see me? I know y'all can't hear me. I'm just playing. But anyway, so I think I'm gonna put this on there for $130. It's pre-owned, and it's $70 cheaper than the person that's got the other one on there. And see if somebody buy it. Now I keep telling y'all, this is the best thing about this. I just told y'all I looked it up, right? It was one that wasn't sold for $120, and one that sold for $199. Those the only 2 on there. The same thing with them lights. Remember I told you about those lights? One sold the next day. I put them on there for $155. Somebody bought 8 of them the next day. And I was, like I told you, I was waiting on that guy to text me back. I told him $275. You snooze, you lose. That dude didn't get back in contact with me, so I sold him to somebody else. Whatever. I got my full price for him. $311. $55. Yeah, $310 for $40 worth of lights. I paid $5 a piece for them. That's 5 times 8. I don't know what to tell y'all. $20 a piece. I mean, $20 for 4. So they were $5 a piece. $310. Well, whatever. I don't know what to tell y'all. But anyway, so I've been having good luck these past days with stuff. I do have bad times when I go on there and can't find nothing. And also, my next soul video, I'm going to tell y'all some stuff. But anyway, I'm not going to get into that now. But I just want to show y'all these 4 items that I got today. So I keep telling y'all, look through those books. I done had a whole lot of success with finding books. Finding books and selling them. Just looking for... what the hell? Anyway, just looking for books, trying to complete some sets so I can sell them. I found these, and believe me, I'm glad. I just browsing through them. As soon as I found this, she called. I had to leave. But anyway, y'all, I told you I was going to start that what I'm not going to sell segment again. This time, it's some controllers. Some PS2 controllers. Might be PS1. I don't know. Okay, y'all let me know if y'all ever seen these before. See these controllers? They pistols. If you all play Resident Evil games, that's what these pistols are for. Okay. About 6-7 years ago, I found these pistols, these controllers. And I couldn't find them nowhere. Nowhere. I couldn't find, I've never seen them before. I've been selling games since 2002.
Drop zone C, Charlie's ready to put away. Drop zone C, Charlie's ready to put away.
I've been selling games and controllers and game systems since 2002. I never seen these, and I still haven't seen them nowhere. So I'm keeping them. They ain't worth nothing. Probably about $20. Anyway, it's just the principle behind it. When I get my game room together, my theater room together, I'm gonna have these pistols in there as controllers. I'm gonna have every game system in there. So I'm just telling y'all, I'm not selling those. I'm not selling these. Have you ever seen these? Let me know in the comments. Have you seen these before? They look like regular 380, probably 9mm pistols. That's what they look like. I mean, I can't. All the ones I done sold are the plastic ones that's all bulky looking, all funny looking. You know, those are the ones I've been selling. I never seen these before, and I'm keeping them. So that's my segment on what I'm not gonna sell. Okay, now this is the end of my video, so y'all know what I'm gonna say. Wear your mask. Quit playing around and wear that mask so we can get this disease out of here. Let's get this epidemic gone. Please, let's do it. So anyway, I'm getting ready to go. You guys, take it easy, and I just want to say, I just want to say that we pickin' the hood. Oh, I forgot. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thumb down, I don't care about thumb, whatever. Give me a like, subscribe, tell your buddies, tell your friends to come check me out, whatever. Now, I just want to say, we pickin' the hood too. Yeah. Peace.